Stop! Before you say another French word, you need to master this. Most beginners get the French alphabet wrong, and it's the #1 reason their accent sounds, well, not French. In just 5 minutes, I'll teach you all 26 letters, exactly how the French pronounce them, and give you quick tricks to sound way more authentic when you speak. And if you love learning French for travel, I've made a free French travel essentials cheat sheet so you can speak confidently on your next trip. I'll show you how to get it at the end. Let's jump in. Bay, say, day, F, J, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So for pronunciation tip #1, you need to make the R sound from the back of the throat. It comes from the back of the throat like a soft gargle. And tip #2 that you need to be aware of with pronunciation in the French alphabet is the difference between U and OU. So U is, you pronounce it with rounded lips, but then the word, or the letters OU are pronounced more like oo, as in the word food. And tip #3 is that the accents matter, so you really have to pay attention to which accent marks are on the letters, because it can change how that letter is going to be pronounced. If you want to take what you learned today and use it in real-life travel situations, grab my free French Travel Essentials cheat sheet. It's packed with must-know phrases so you can navigate France like a pro. The link is in the description. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical French lessons every week. Merci et à bientôt.